Okay, boys, CPI today. Is this a trap? We are pumping, but we dumped again. And we are holding previous week EQ, though I did short yesterday, but looks like my short was early. I was stopped out for break even. I didn't take some profits. So pretty sad, but I already banked some short profits in the morning, so that was okay. Now I'm going to show you some levels and the reason why I think this move is a trap and Bitcoin might dump today during CPI. So let's get into the charts.
All right, so this is how the weekly structure is looking at right now. The reason why I think this is a trap is because we don't have a wick on the weekly candle to the downside. Plus, this weekly candle last week is so bearish like that, and this is just market makers chopping and hunting liquidity. Because if you look at that, we went down, took out some liquidity here, and then we stacked up some liquidity like this, but then, what did we do? We run the highs, boom. And now it's like we are right here, like it wants to break out, but at the same time, we left some lows, like we have some lows and we don't have a wick on the weekly. So I feel like it's gotta be a trap. So just, if you're long, make sure to take profits, be careful, because this might, they might do something like this, like they bring the price up and then economic data, boom. So they might do this, go up, go up, go up, go up, hit this liquidity, and then boom, drop all the way to 50K, right? So just be careful. I am waiting for a short today. So these are my levels. So if you look at this, so this is like probably the level that I'm like, that would be like a make it or break it level for Bitcoin, the 79,300. And then we built up some low resistance liquidity now, and we did take this one, and after taking it, boom, smack down. So I'm going to show you my short yesterday. This was my initial short. I did take profits here, and then I shorted again, I think here. Yeah, I think here I shorted. I was in profits. I didn't take profits. I just moved stop loss to break even, and both got stopped. Both my weeks and Bybit got stopped at BA. But that's okay, because I already banked here. Now I missed this one because I was already asleep. But as soon as we hit this high volume node, and then you got a liquidity up here, like a level, SFP level, swing value pattern, and then you look at that, boom, failed to make a high, boom, boom, come back crashing down. Now we are at previous day week EQ, so I'm thinking that we might pump a little bit more, something like here, and then come back down all the way down. So that's what I'm watching, levels I'm looking at, because I feel like we're still gonna come down, and this might just be a trap. I could be wrong, boys. Just make sure to protect yourself if you're already long. So for shorts, I'm only looking at either, probably gonna try a short around 7,500. If not, then maybe I'll wait for 74K or 72K. We still have a lot of levels here, so value area high, those levels. But then if this really is strong, this move, and then CPI, we get some good numbers and we pump all the way to 80K, that's the short that I'm gonna be looking at. Because I don't really want to long right now that we're in the top of the range, like we're on the top of the range, you can see. And it's also struggling to reclaim. So yeah, I just want to say to you boys that, beware if you're long, protect yourselves, take some profits. And it's CPI, prepare for some volatility. I'm mainly looking for shorts.
So thank you, boys, for watching. If you do want to trade with me, I have some links below. We got Weeks, Bybit. We also got BTCC. It's a brand new exchange we partnered with, and they're running some cool promotions and discounts and bonuses. So you might want to check that. And yeah, maybe I'm going to update you pre-CPI later during London session. So mainly I'm watching Nasdaq and ES, how they're gonna trade. ES and Nasdaq's gonna rip higher and Bitcoin's just going to follow. But if it's the other way around, dollar up, yields are up, risk on assets are down, Bitcoin's gonna go down. All right. So thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one.